Everything is very green here the third week of April. And we have some grapes starting to grow. Lots of grapes getting started here by the front fence. And the birds are happy. It's a grapevine. A few more grapes on this side of the fence in the middle of the yard. And that's a tomato plant. That's a tomato. And that's a tomato. Here we have a cherry tree which might get some cherries, but usually it doesn't. This cherry tree gets filled with cherries. We'll see what happens. And a peach tree. The squirrels get all the peaches, and another peach tree. This is a pear tree, and I usually get a few pears. Lots of pears grow on the tree, but the animals get them before I do. And the pear tree that gets little bitty pears that are too small to eat. And a cherry tree that doesn't get any cherries, but look at all the blossoms that fell from it. And the grapes in the backyard. The interesting thing here, not so much these vines that are about waist high, that go all the way over to here, but the grapes up in the sky. Those are grapevines. This is a grapevine. And grapevines up there that come across from somewhere. And that tangled mess has a lot of grapevines, very old grapevines in there. Pass my lawnmower here. But grapevines, grapevines, grapevines. And see some of the grape leaves, and even little bitty grapes starting there. And one more tomato plant. Don't know what the bang was there. One more tomato plant at my other house. And the little white flowers and green leaves of blackberries all around the front of this house. These will become little blackberries.